सो कुछ दिन पहले मैंने ये बुक पढ़ी थी, डू एपिक शिट बाय अंकुर वारिको। और ये मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी बुक बिकॉज इसके जो लेसन्स थे बहुत ही सिंपल, प्रैक्टिकल, बहुत ही अच्छे से ईजी लेसन, ज़्यादा उसमें दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ा मुझे। एंड मैंने इस बुक को बहुत ज़्यादा हाईलाइट भी किया। इनफैक्ट आफ्टर हाईलाइटिंग इट सो मच मेरा हाईलाइटर ख़त्म हो गया और मैंने अंकुर वारिको को पेटिशन भी डाल दी कि ओके बिकॉज ऑफ योर बुक माई हाईलाइटर गॉट ओवर, सो he should send me a highlighter. I did not expect a reply or anything, means I was hoping for it, but he was kind enough to send me not just one but 10 highlighters and 3 books. I mean, मुझे फ्री बुक्स तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है. I was very very happy, but this book is not for that because he gave me highlighters of books. Genuinely, his book was full of lessons. In fact, I highlighted the book, but I also made a note with all the great points from the book, and that is what I want to share in this video with you all. Great points from the book, lessons that I learned. So in total there are 20 takeaways. Let's go through them. My first lesson is meet new people. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप सबसे दोस्ती कर लो, बट अलग अलग लोगों से मिलो, उन्हें जानो, अलग अलग लोगों से कनेक्शन बनाओ, and that just for the sake of making those connections, not for any of your personal gain. Okay, so next point is, if you are leading a team, lead them. People want to be led, not managed and not set free. So don't start breathing down their neck, but ऐसा भी नहीं कि उन्हें बिल्कुल खुला छोड़ दे कि okay, yeah, do whatever you want to do. Lead your people. Next point that I really liked from this book was share your journey, narrate your journey, document your journey. It is very important because this is how you'll know how far you have come or what you could have done better. अगर आप पब्लिकली इससे कंफर्टेबल नहीं भी हो, सो यू कैन डू दैट प्राइवेटली थ्रू अ जर्नल और समथिंग. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज आस्क बिफोर मेकिंग एनी अजम्पशंस. जब भी हम अजम्पशंस या फिर कंक्लूजन्स पे जंप कर लेते हैं, वी अस्यूम द वर्स्ट ऑफ द थिंग एंड दैट जस्ट मेक एवरीथिंग वर्स. तो डोंट डू दैट. ऑल्सो दैट इज़ द वेरी ईजी वे आउट. Asking is hard. To do the hard thing, ask instead of jumping to any assumption. Next point is send cold emails. You never know from whom you might get a reply. Like in my case, you saw that he sent me those highlighters. It's not really the same thing. Sending cold emails is different, but yeah, you never know from whom you might get a reply, so send cold emails. You do not really have to stick to just one career. Why do one thing when you can do so many? Or why be defined by just one thing? Diversity is going to add that spice to your life, and it will make all the things all the more interesting. Be yourself, be you. You can always escape competition by being authentic because no one can beat you at being you. So easy way. Ask others what you don't know. When we ask others, या फिर जो हम नहीं पूछते चीज़ों कुछ चीज़ किसी और इंसान से, बिकॉज एक तो दैट इज़ एक्सेप्टिंग यू डोंट नो एवरीथिंग. ऑल्सो यू फील हाउ द अदर पर्सन इज गोइंग टू रिएक्ट, वेदर दैट पर्सन विल रिप्लाई और नॉट. सो don't let your ego or your insecurities come in your own way. Ask what you don't know. Next one is do it for yourself. चाहे आप जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो, don't do it for the sake of job या फिर अपने बॉस के डर से या फिर for money, not for anything. Do things just for their own sake क्योंकि आप वो चीज़ करना चाहते हो. Next point is send emails to yourself in the future. तो there will be many things that you want to say to your future self, maybe after the you that is after a decade or something. So if there's anything, just small note, something, a little reminder, anything you can send yourself. You can schedule an email to yourself to the future. Being calm is a skill. कहीं पे भी जाओगे, you'll see people are shouting, yelling, being impatient, losing their cool. So just by being calm, you're going to gain a competitive advantage. Okay, so जो दूसरा पॉइंट अब मैंने उससे सीखा इज़ इट्स नॉट हार्ड. हम जब चीज़ों के बारे में ज़्यादा बात कर लेते हैं क्योंकि दिस इज़ सो हार्ड, वी गेट ऑल वर्कड अप एंड हम अपने दिमाग में उससे बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा बना लेते हैं जितनी बड़ी वो चीज़ नहीं होती. सो जैसे उसमें था 3 Idiots में, खुद को बोलो ऑल इज़ वेल, सो यू कैन से इट्स नॉट हार्ड, ऑल इज़ वेल. नेक्स्ट इज़ enjoy your life to gain competitive advantage. With everyone being just work, being miserable in their work, not for just forgetting about life altogether. So just by enjoying your life, living it, you will gain a massive competitive advantage. Next point is complaining amplifies the problem. जिसके अगर हम किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में ज़्यादा बात करने लगते हैं तो वो चीज़ बहुत बड़ी हो जाती है. So stop talking about your problems and start talking about your joys. Next is, okay, start investing. That is the only way to gain wealth, and start investing early. That he has emphasized in his videos also. So you need to start investing if you want to gain wealth. Do not show up for every argument. आपकी मेंटल पीस, आपके माइंड की पीस आपके खुद के हाथों में है. इफ़ यू डू नॉट फाइंड एन आर्ग्यूमेंट वर्थ इट, रेस्पेक्टफुली स्टेप आउट. टेल हाउ यू आर फीलिंग. डोंट जस्ट अज्यूम कि दूसरे इंसान को पता लग जाएगा सम हाउ. ऐसा नहीं होता. एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ. टेल हाउ यू आर फीलिंग, वॉट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू. Vulnerability is also very powerful. Sing and dance. Only someone who is totally comfortable with being themselves can sing and dance without any alcohol or drugs. So that should be your goal. That is your goal कि अच्छा हाँ उस level तक पहुँचना है. Become friends with people who talk about ideas, not people who talk about other people. Eventually you become the sum total of average of the people you surround yourself with. So choose that wisely. And last, but this is the most important point, live. Don't just work. Paint, cook, travel, sing, dance, whatever you like, but live. Do things that you enjoy doing. You only get one life, so live it fully. Okay guys, so these were my takeaways from his amazing book. I'm sure आप भी ये book पढ़ोगे तो आपको भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. I hope you like it. Let me know which point you like the most. और अगर आपने ये book पढ़ी है, so which is your takeaway from this book? I would love to know that. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next. Bye bye.